She said there was a gold handbag that she bought and a Martha K. Yeah,
So
yes.
no, it's the gold bag is the one that's from Martha K. And then she bought me the gold bag. Bear in mind, this person was getting married. I bought her a wedding gift. I bought her bridal gift. I and this is all happening around December on her birthday. I bought her a bridal gift. I bought her a wedding gift. I helped pay for her decor. And the money that I spent, and I know this is, I hate speaking about money, and it's just not my thing. But guys, I have a big family. I have two kids. I have two people that help us look after our kids. And I had to fly to Joburg with my whole family in on that December, and I had spent 30K for return flights. My husband paid 30K on return flights. And over and above that, I, number one, number one, had done so many things around that time. And over and above all of that, she was still demanding a birthday gift. And I said, and but like, I'm not Udo Balayo, if that makes sense, because there's many things that I've done and there's many things that I have given, if that makes sense, that I'm not gonna sit and count about, oh, you gave me a gift for 5,000, da 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 da. Because if when I go through
Counter
my
kodwa
bank
apha
statement, there's
kuthi
times where I've
Simaneo,
spent my
counter.
money.
Kodwa mna ndithi counter apha kuthi
Yeah, I'm
Sima.
counting. Hence, I'm saying their counter, as I'm saying, there was only a return, a change, a exchange of gifts one time. I bought her some. I don't know what was it. It's a while ago from the iStore, and she returned that by buying the dress. Do you understand? And over and above that, if I'm not mistaken, that dress was even on special. So I don't the price that she's talking about. You know what? Actually, I don't want to. I don't want to speak on that. So basically that's one on one, right? That's one on one. And she's talking about my baby shower. I'm talking about her bridal shower. I bought for her bridal shower, and I also bought for her what? For her wedding. And I also did what? And I also paid for her decor. Do you
Ideko
understand? And
yomtshato.
she's counting no, decor your bridal shower. So now I need you to understand that now if she's sitting here and counting, she's counting a dress and a bag. Two things.
Yima, and
And
then wena
a present for the baby shower.
wena wenza i-bridal le nto idekho yele nto khona nemali wawumphe yona because ngoku funeke sibalile because
Yes.
besesizigqibele kaloku nathi mama.
Into yemali, it was almost like a stock fell. Into yemali, it was almost like a stock fell. I didn't give her
Oh,
money. It was almost like a stock fell. So she was giving me money. I was like, basically what we did was giving each other money, if that makes sense. Do you understand? So it was a stock fell. And that how can I say it? That how it was set up. Yes, maybe I did say but I gave her 10K, but it was almost like a stock fell. So I was giving her 10K on her birthday. She was giving me 10K on her birthday, and we are giving the other friend 10K. So basically you get 20K in total, if that makes sense. Which is there was never a time where I said I'm not gonna pay for it. I've posted my receipts. I have everything that's on the receipts. So if she's gonna sit here and count, I think bar for bar, things are equal, honestly speaking. But as I said, it is not. I'm not on the internet to show people that I am doing this for this person and I'm sending this person this money. And hence why every time I gave her something, I always said, please try not to mention me because unfortunately, like I hate people being in my business. I hate people pocket watching. I hate people knowing that I'm able to send someone 10,000 rand on a go.
oh, is this Monewa ke ngoku? Mna shem, last question. Last question endikubuza yona. Le yokuba ke ngoku lo bhuti ne singena apha ngoku emxholweni yi-dead beat. You understand?
No, I'm not gonna speak on. I'm sorry, I can't speak on that one.
Oh, hayi
I
eyona
think,
ijuicy kaloku
yeah,
sana because
you know what? I refuse.
iyothusa into ye-dead. Kaloku kuthiwe nawe
No,
i-single
no,
mother.
I'm not. I'm not gonna speak on that.
Kaloku nawe
No, good
ubuyi-single
right.
mother
No,
so
I'm fine with
ufuna
that.
ubona ukuba
No, I'm honestly fine with
oh,
that.
hayi
I'm honestly fine with that.
hayi ndiyakuva. But bethe uyi-single mother.
Yeah.
Ngicela
Hi,
ukubuza
ladies.
last one. I'm
Now,
so
I'm
sorry.
Dinombuza. Hi, ladies.
Oh,
Hi, Manewa. So, who's this friend who stole your idea? Is she like in PR, influencer
You
marketing?
know what? Let me tell you, I'm not. You know what? I really, that one I'm gonna deal with legally. I will deal with her legally. I I'm not going to speak about her because I know she wants to be popular. So I'm not going to be part of it. But that person, I will be dealing with her legally.
Oh, is it that PR girl or influencer?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn gone. Okay. Ngos.
Oh, Mina, my question was to say, okay, my question basically was, Uguti, since at some point, obviously, with your guys' vlogs and all of that, it seemed as if like the husbands, all of them, all three of them, were trying to form some sort of friendship. What are the implications, Joba Segliwa Ganjena and Sekfagwa now, I'm a husband?
So
Because it's like,
let me explain something to you. My husband never wanted to be affiliated with this person because the first time she came here, she was taking pictures. And as I said, I think I've said this before, I chose not to listen to my husband when she said, please stop. I don't want this person in my space. And hence why I basically like didn't want her. And I loved her so much. And I was disregarding my husband's instinct when I was like, oh no, I'm giving her the benefit of the doubt. My husband, she's herself has crashed out saying that my husband is not ostracizing them, but my husband doesn't want to like hang out with them, and he doesn't want to come to hang out with them. So yeah, no, I don't know. Maybe the other people, I don't know, but on my part, my husband was never um trying to build a friendship with like no.
Hi, Lisa. I think you've exhausted your questions. Let's give others a
hayi
chance.
ndirayithi mna shem ndirayithi shem enkosi shem ndirayithi ngoku ndirayithi but eyona ndiqhubekayo apha eyi imbi le nto imbi nyhani ke shem but andiyazi ngalwamkelo lwabayeni andiyazi imbi.
Stand retail, and I said to her, hey doll, can you please go check by the POS and ask them, ba, don't they have an extra skirt of this particular skirt? She said to me, cool, I'll go. By the time I was walking to find out if they have a skirt or they have it in another shop, she was paying for the skirt. She paid for the skirt. And I said, that's weird. Why are you paying for the skirt, the same skirt that we wanted? Then we started having almost like a back and forth. Like, I said, I want the skirt. No. And I found it weird as my friend. If I asked you to accompany me to a shop and I say, I need to buy this. And then suddenly when we get to the shop, there's only one of it. And you say, you the one who said you wanted. And then when we got to, what do you call it? Then she took, I had left my bags inside her car, and her husband was driving the car, and I had to go get my bags. And what happened when I went down to go get my bags, I said to her husband, bye, naming the husband. And I was saying it in a very like a banter way. I was irritated, but one thing about me, I'm not going to disrespect someone, especially someone who is as nice and polite as a husband. I was being banterish. Like I said, bye this person, and I said, please say bye to your wife. That's literally what I said. And after that, she then sent me a message and saying, why were you being disrespectful to my husband? I said, you are trying to flip the coin. The problem is that you are realizing that what you did at the shop is wrong. And now you want to make it me being basically throwing banter at your
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Maneo responded to what uGugulethu said about her laphana aku-YouTube channel yakhe makakhuluma ngayo ukuthi wathenga i-LV bag from her i-fake ke sana nokuthi Maneo akana-ID uyi-single mother leshadile, single mother of 3, bekangamthengeli ama-gift ngema-birthday yakhe but yena Gugulethu bekamsendela amthengela kuManeo, bekamhleba Maneo banganini bakhe. And uManeo is basically just replying to that, uyaresponda uyasho nje ukuthi le nto le khulunywa nguGugulethu imbudane ayisiyo ngale ndlela yena sekayikhuluma ngayo. And angathi bekangamthengeli ama-gift, bekamthengela but yena bekamtshela ukuthi uma ka-unboxa channel yakhe angabatsheli bantu ukuthi lama-gift abuya kuye because yena she's not living for a social media ke sana. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.